Good morning, friends, and namaste to everyone. I hope you all are fine at your home. So be at home and be safe from this pandemic disease, coronavirus, COVID 19. And we have already started our journey for the tenses. And today, let's continue our journey for the tenses, and that is past perfect. Today our topic is past perfect. Past perfect. Okay? And generally it is confusing one. And generally we are very much confused from between the simple past and past perfect tenses. So listen it carefully and the confusion will be wiped out today from this video. And just when talk about the past perfect, we have already discussed in the last videos about the simple past, about the past continuous, their uses and their structures. And now see the past perfect. So forms of past perfect is what? Very simple it is. Had plus past participle. Had plus past participle. That is the form of past participle, means B3 or third form of the verb also you can say. See the example, like it hadn't rained for 2 weeks. Okay, similarly he had gone from Janakpur. Okay, similarly you can see the another example, where had she been. So in these examples you can observe here that this is the subject, this is AB and B3. So structure is very easy to form if you know how to write the examples. Subject plus had plus B3 plus object, that is the affirmative one. Similarly in negative, subject plus had plus not plus B3 plus object. This is the negative structure. And similarly had plus subject plus B3 plus object and question mark. This is the interrogative one. So we are talking about the past perfect tense. Okay. So structures are very easy to understand. You have to remember these structures. And just now see where to use the past perfect. Main point is this. So very simple to understand. If we talk about the past perfect, very easy to understand here. That simply past perfect means earlier past. Simply past perfect means earlier past. Or actually there are two things, past and past perfect. So past is past and past perfect means earlier past, or in other language you can say go back to the moment. Go back to the moment of past. Go back to the moment of past when you are already talking about when you are already talking about past. When you are already talking about past, that is earlier past or go back. Okay, just like see the example, when I reached home, my father had already gone. So actually this is a clause, when I reached home, and here are two sentences. What are the two sentences? I reached home, and other is my father had already gone. So two actions are, and both actions are done in past. but one is earlier past, that is my father had already gone, subject plus had plus V3, and other is past, it is subject plus V2. So this example really clarifies here that what is earlier past and what is past. So the action which had done before the past, that is earlier past, it is written in past perfect tense, had plus V3, and the action which happened after that action, that is written in simple past, subject plus V2. So in other consider another example. During our conversation, during our conversation, I knew that we had already met. So this is the best example to understand what is earlier past. During our, I knew that we had already met. So we had already met means what? This is the earlier past. I knew, मैले थाहा पाएँ कि हामी अगाडि नै मिलिसकेको थियो. दुईटै काम पास्टमा भएको छ, तर यो काम पहिले भएको छ पास्टमा, जसलाई हामी अर्लियर पास्टको रूपमा भन्छौँ, that is written in a past perfect tense. Okay, so now see here, you can figure out the past perfect and to understand it easily, or to keep it in mind. You can figure out like this. Okay, one is earlier past, one is past, and other is present, that is now. And write the examples here. When I reached the station, the train had already gone. So you can see you can understand easily. Earlier past and past and now. The past is what? When I reached the station, this is the past, and train had already gone. The action happened before this past. It is earlier past. You figure about the past perfect. And this is now present. It means present, with present there is no relation of past perfect tense. So always keep this figure in mind. Next, so this is the use of past perfect tense. Okay, and there are some time clauses. With these generally past perfect is used, like when, like as soon as, okay, like before, okay, like after, okay, like by the time it is. So these are some time clauses which are generally used in a past perfect tense. Like see the example will clear you more. As soon as I reached home, as soon as I had written a letter, I posted it. So you can see here as soon as is used, and I had written past perfect, and here is simple past. So pehlo काम कुन भएको होला, पहिला चिट्ठी लेख्नु तब पोस्ट गरिन्छ. That's why it is in past perfect and it is in simple past. This is earlier past. Okay, similarly you can see. So we are talking about here time clauses which are generally used in a past perfect tense. And what are the time clauses? When, as soon as, before, after, by the time. You can see the example. As soon as I had written a letter As soon as I posted. So don't be ever confused that when is only used. No, these are the time clauses which are also used in a past perfect. Like see the another example. When the doctor came, the patients had already died. So when the doctor came, it is in subject plus B2. Here the subject plus had plus the earlier past is this. Similarly, he met me after his father had gone away. So here also you can say after time clause is used, and here is simple past and past perfect tense for the earlier past. Similarly, by the time we reached home, it had been dark. So here also you can see subject plus had plus been plus B3. AB plus here also you can see had plus B3 is here. So these examples shows that how the past perfect is used. So especially when the two actions happened in past, for the earlier past perfect and for the second one simple past is used. And so one more usage of the past perfect. It is even used in a if sentence too. If sentence past perfect, or conditional also you can say for the conditional sentence. Like if he had labored hard, he would have passed the exam. If he would have passed the exam. So here also you can see subject AB is and B3 would plus have plus B3. This is the rule of if sentence. So I mean to say it is in conditional sentence also past perfect. So this is all about the past perfect tense, and hope you understand it. Thank you very much.